Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Is Siri acting sluggish or not responding at all on your iPhone? In this video, I'll show you several proven methods to troubleshoot and fix Siri's misbehavior. Let's go. If Siri isn't working on your iPhone, there are several steps you can take to resolve the issue. First, ensure Siri is enabled by navigating to Settings. Scroll down, tap Siri and search, and make sure options like Listen for Hey Siri, press Side button for Siri, and Allow Siri when locked are turned on. Siri also requires a stable internet connection, so verify your device is connected to Wi-Fi or has cellular data enabled by checking it on your device settings. Restarting your iPhone can also help resolve minor glitches.
Keep in mind, though, that the specific combination of keys required to do this may vary depending on the model of iPhone you have. For iPhones with Face ID such as iPhone X, iPhone 11, or any newer model, do the following steps. The following procedure also applies for iPhone 8 and iPhone SE. Press and quickly release the volume up and volume down buttons respectively. Then press and hold the side button. Once the Apple logo appears, release the side button and wait for your iPhone to restart. On the other hand, the process is slightly different on the iPhone 7. In this case, you need to press and hold both the volume down and side buttons simultaneously. Continue holding both buttons until the Apple logo appears on the screen. For those with an iPhone 6s or earlier, press and hold both the sleep and home buttons at the same time. Keep holding both buttons and release them when the Apple logo appears.
It is also always a good idea to check for any iOS updates by going to ensure your phone is running the latest software.
To check for a new iOS version, open Settings on your iPhone. Navigate to General and click on Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Afterwards, your iPhone should restart automatically with the new iOS version installed. Keep in mind that you need enough storage space left and a stable Wi-Fi connection to successfully install an iOS update.
Additionally, test your microphone by recording a voice memo or making a call. If the microphone isn't working properly, clean the mic ports.
An easy way to do this is to use a dry clean brush to remove any dirt buildup. Alternatively, you can also use a toothpick to remove any particles from the port.
If the issue persists, you can also reset Siri settings by toggling off and back on the Siri options and settings. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it may be time to contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for further assistance, as there could be a deeper software or hardware issue affecting Siri's performance.
To contact them online, open your browser and visit support.apple.com on your iPhone or computer. From the dashboard, browse to the Get Support section and click Start Now. For more personalized support, sign in with your Apple ID and follow the on-screen instructions to start your request.
That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.